In this video, I will show you how to block dates in your Airbnb calendar. To do this, open up Airbnb, go to the hosting section and just click on calendar. Now here you will see your calendar. Now if you only have one listing, then it will just go to that listing's calendar automatically. Now from here you can see all these dates. Now my listing hasn't been approved yet, so therefore all of them are crossed off for me. And basically when they are crossed off, that means that on that day nobody can book it. Now for example, if all of this would not be crossed off, then I can just select one day or multiple days, so you can just drag it like this and select as many days as you want. And let's say I want to block off these days right here, then just make sure they are the correct ones, and then it will usually be on open nights, but again for me it isn't approved yet. So then instead of open nights, from there you want to set it to blocked. And then again, when it gets crossed off, you know that nobody can book it on that day. So that's how to block dates on your Airbnb listing. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.